Hello po, good morning! So, andito tayo ngayon sa studio natin, which is yung Artistry by V, the newest studio in town. By the way, before anything else, my name is Vanessa Yvonne Parta Untalan. So, I am a local here in Ibaan from Barangay Lapu-Lapu. Nung high school, back in the jump, so dun po kasi ako nag-aral ng high school. So, there's a teacher na in-encourage pa akong mag-join sa isang makeup contest. That time, I was part of the organization. Suppose hindi po ako pwedeng mag-compete, pero dahil nakitaan din po talaga ako ng passion and skill. So, sige, why not give it a try? So, nag-join po ako. Luckily, nanalo naman tayo, sir, sa contest hanggang tayo po ay pinapadala na sa iba't ibang levels. Ayan, may mga nakakalaban na tayong iba't ibang mga schools. So, dun, sir, nag-start na parang, oo nga, no, pwede pala. Palagi ko na siyang ginagawa sa mga pinsan ko and sa mga kung kani-kanino na, sir. So, parang naging hilig ko na siya. Kapag may mga occasions, pag sinabing makeup, sa akin po sila lumalapit. Biggest, sir, break ko nun was the Binibining Pasay back in 2010. So, I have this colleague na nag-join, sir, ng Binibining Pasay. So, syempre, tayo po ay pa lang nun. Wala pa tayo, hindi pa tayo professional, but kaya nating sumabay, ika nga. So, ayun, sir, pinagkatiwalaan niya ako na maging makeup artist niya during the whole pageant. So, ayun, sir, nagtuloy-tuloy na. Before I moved to abroad, I tried doing freelancing. So, mga home service pa, wala pa po akong studio that time. Gustong-gusto ko, however, hindi ko pa siya afford and hindi ko pa rin po talaga kayang kumuha ng maraming client. Kumbaga, kulang pa po ako sa pagmamarket and network. Yung mga clients natin is hindi pa po ganun ka-broad. So, medyo may time po talaga na malakas, may time na mahina. So, nung time na naghihina na siya, I decided na, sige, stop ko muna. Then, yun nga po, nakapag-Dubai po ako. So, nasa abroad po ako for 5 years. But, even though tayo po ay employed ng mga private companies, hindi pa rin po talaga maalis eh. Yung mga kasama ko po sa bahay, pag wala kaming magawa, especially nung pandemic, nagme-make-upan kami, ganyan. And I was also trying to capture clients, especially yung mga kapwa natin, kabayan na mga nandun, na nagpapakasal, ganyan. So, yun, sir, yung mga, minimal journeys ko sa pagme-makeup. Kasi dun, sir, ang hirap din mag-side hustle kasi may mga batas po sa abroad na hindi pwedeng mag-double job, ganyan, unlike other countries. But, I tried to approach mga professional makeup artists na mga Pilipino din. So, yun nga lang, hindi tayo nabigyan ng pagkakataon. Pero, somehow nakaka-flatter, sir, kasi nina-notice nila ako and they're willing to, to give an opportunity na mapasali po ako sa team. Wala lang po talagang time kasi po ako po ay employed ng mga private companies. Kasi nga po, hindi na ako makapag-work doon. I had a baby po kasi in Dubai. So, I decided to go back in the Philippines. Kaso, parang kating-kati po ako na mag-makeup ulit. And hindi po ako mapakali na wala tayong income, syempre. So, yun, sir. Talagang, ang laging unang pumapasok sa isip ko is yung makeup. Sabi nga nila, kapag mahal mo yung ginagawa mo, ituloy mo lang. So, ayun, sir, I decided na, sige, magme-makeup ulit ako, pero this time, I want a studio. And since mayroon po tayong mga collection of gowns before na pinaparentahan na rin po natin online, so, gusto ko, sama-sama na po sila in one. Kumbaga, parang whole production na po siya. I will provide the makeup, I will provide your gowns. If you have a photographer, I also have a venue para makakapag-indoor shoot tayo. Kasi most of the time, sir, some clients preferred indoor shoots. And they're even renting resorts, hotels, which is very expensive, right? So dito, sir, if you want to rent the whole place, you will have the full access sa makeup station natin. I'll provide unlimited retouch during the whole shoot. If you want to wear any of the gowns na meron po tayo, you may. Bahala ka na kung anong gusto mo. Depende sa mga concepts ng pictorials. And yan, yung ating venue, yung ating pictorial venue, yung corner po natin. So, you can make use of the whole place, ika nga. Ayun sir, I'm actually flattered na may mga nagre-reach out na sa akin, even hindi ko pa po na-open yung ating studio. So, meron na po tayong mga nakabook na upcoming weddings. So, thank you so much po sa mga clients natin. Actually, clients ko na po sila before na talagang very loyal and they're very happy na nag-makeup po ulit ako kasi gusto daw po talaga nila isa ko. Especially on their big day, which is yung wedding day nga po nila. So, ayun sir, I'm looking forward to more weddings. May mga graduation na rin po tayong nilulook forward. Okay, so Artistry by V offers 3 major services. So, we have makeup, gowns, and pictorial venue. So, sa makeup natin, we cater any occasions, mapag-graduation yan, JS prom, weddings of course, debut, or any corporate events. And we also offer home service. But if you want to drop by, ayan, nandito kompleto po tayo ng makeup equipments and tools. Then you go to your place kung saan man yung event mo, or if you want home service nga, I can drop by to your place, or kung saan man yung venue ng event mo, pwede po tayo. And also for our gowns naman, so ayan, ito pa lang sir yung aking mga collections, but I'm looking forward to more. I will also add suits for men po para meron din pong yung mga male clients natin. So from here sir, meron po tayong mga bridal gowns collections. So, medyo, kumbaga, hindi po siya ordinary designs as you can see. So, luxurious yung mga, natin, yung type ng gowns natin. But it doesn't mean, sir, na pricey po yung ating mga charge sa mga rents. Actually, hindi lang pala siya for rent, sir. So, for those bride na gusto pong i-keep yung gowns nila, kasi di ba po, may mga ganun na itatago, ganyan. Pwede po nilang bilhin din yung gowns. But for some na medyo tight po yung budget, actually dun po ako nag-came up Yung mga tight po yung budget na hindi po afford yung mga magpapatahe, magpapasadya ng gowns or bibili kasi most of the time sir, sa Divisoria na pumupunta. So, para po ma-lessen din yung hassle ng pagluwas-luwas, we have here po, dito mismo sa bayan natin. So, ayan sir, very unique yung mga gowns din natin. Yun din po yung maipagmamalaki ko. Wala pong magiging katulad yung magiging itsura ninyo sa wedding day ninyo. We also have some colored gowns na pwede pong pang-debut. Malapit na sir ang mga fiestahan. Yung mga Santa Cruzan, pwede din po siya. So, up to you kung alin po yung gusto ninyong i-rent. Aside from ball gowns, meron din po tayong few collections ng mga serpentine or mermaid gowns. We have white for brides and colored, which is, I think, itong mga colored, sir, kalimitan ginagamit, sir, sa pageants. So, yun po, yung mga nagpa-pageant dyan, or kung ano mang mga occasions, let's say JS prom, na kailangan po nila ng mga gowns. So, we have here. So, ayan. So, lastly, we have the pictorial venue. So, yun nga, for those na medyo tight nga po si budget, o kaya naman minimalist lamang yung tema nila for their pictorials, especially on their weddings, yung mga nagpe-prenup, o kaya naman nagpe-pre-birthday shoot, or let's say family portraits, kasi usong-uso po yan. So, we have an in-house photographer, by the way. We are tied up with MC Portraits and Events by Sir Miquelito Contreras. Or, let's say you have your own photographers, pwede naman po. Wala naman pong problema. So, we have a corner here wherein pwede nyo pong gawin yung pictorials ninyo. I'm inviting everyone to visit our studio. So, again, we have makeup, gowns, and pictorial venue. We are located here in 2nd floor, GV Place 711, Lapu-Lapu, Ibaan, Batangas. Malapit lang tayo sa Star Tollway, Ibaan Exit. You can contact me via Facebook. You can chat my personal account, Parto Vanessa, or the page itself ng ating studio, which is Artistry by V. And you can also contact me directly on my personal number, which is given sa ating page. So again, I'm inviting you here in my studio, Artistry by V, and I'm looking forward to see and work with you. And I'll do my best to make you the most glamorous bride or debutant, or kung ano man pong okasyon ang meron kayo, just visit our place and let's work together. Welcome to my studio.